All right, hey guys. Today I just want to present one of our XLs. This one is actually up for sale. You would have seen this car probably previously as a car that we used for our driver star search program. This particular car here is the whole complete package. Ready to run, turnkey. It comes with your solo for your data. It doesn't have brand new tyres on the moment, but it will come with brand new tyres. It will come with brand new brakes. It's got the brand new race seat, brand new harness. It is a brand new car. This car has literally only done 2 race meetings. Anybody that's aware of the quality of the car builds that we do will understand and appreciate how meticulous this is. So it's a full nut and bolt rebuild. The cars are stripped bare. Every nut and bolt has come out of it. Everything is clean, painted, reconditioned. It's got a brand new race engine in it. I keep using the word brand new. It is a brand new car. If you're looking for that ultimate package, you know, where you want something to get in it, you don't have to worry about it, it's new, you want to get out and you want to win some races, then this is the car for you. So we're located here in South Australia. For anybody that's interstate that doesn't want to come over and travel or anything like that, we've definitely got connections where we can help with transport across the country, so that's not an issue either. All right, so one thing you'll notice with our cars is that we start with nice, clean, straight bodies. This particular car here is white. White is my favourite colour to start our builds with, such a neutral colour and easy to work with. So with the wrap removed of this vehicle, you have a nice, pristine, clean white body underneath. So when we build our cars, our colour scheme, you'll see the inside of the colour is aqua. We've also started doing the engine bays in the same colour as well, so they match. So with this car here, it's aqua inside, aqua engine bay, and our wrap obviously to match. So it's a fantastic colour. It's certainly a standout, and it certainly won't disappoint. If you have any questions about this particular car, please don't hesitate. Give me a call. Send me a message. I'll get back to you on the messages. I couldn't be more proud of this particular car. This would be definitely the most favourite car that we've built so far, especially with the colour scheme as well.